Automation is using machines to do tasks that people used to do. It is a powerful force in our world. Automation makes things faster and cheaper. It changes how we live and work. Imagine a factory with robots building cars. These robots work tirelessly. They don't need breaks or sleep. They are precise and efficient. This is the power of automation. Automation is everywhere in industry. It helps make everything from clothes to computers. As technology gets better, automation becomes more important. The idea of automation is not new. People have always looked for ways to make work easier. Early examples of automation include windmills and water wheels. The Industrial Revolution brought big changes. The steam engine was a key invention. It powered machines in factories. This led to mass production. The assembly line was another important development. It broke down production into small tasks. Workers repeated the same task over and over. This made production much faster. The 20th century saw the rise of computers. This was a game changer for automation. Computers could control machines with precision. Robots began to appear in factories. These robots could do dangerous or repetitive tasks. They worked alongside human workers. The automotive industry embraced automation. Robots performed tasks like welding and painting. This made cars faster and cheaper to produce. Today, automation is everywhere. Advanced robots work in warehouses and hospitals. They perform surgery and even deliver packages. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the next step. AI allows machines to learn and solve problems. This will lead to even more sophisticated automation. The future of automation is full of possibilities. It will continue to change the way we live and work. It presents both challenges and opportunities for society.